Hey everyone, this is James. Welcome to Welcome Legacy Maintenance. Once a month, we volunteer to help senior citizens, veterans that have overgrown lawn that they can't do it for themselves. And we got a hit. Miss Amanda called me and told me about her mom's place. It's a little bit overgrown, and I told them that we'll be here on the 27th of April to come out and take care of it for them. Right now we're en route to go take care of it. I'll update y'all how it's going, but if y'all know anyone that needs help, you can give us a call, 352-512-1476, or go online to welcomelegacynet.com. This is James. Welcome.
AP made this. AP made this.